Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurin Alina binti Azmi. Today I want to present about the filler table from the question 1. Okay, first, the problem format is due to COVID-19, you and your friends want to start an online business. Clothing. Both of you have 4 new members, each as downline or as the second generation. Assume that each generation is able to get 4 new members. So the fact first is due to COVID-19. Second, my friend and I want to start an online clothing business. So both of we have 4 new members. The new members is a second generation. So each generation is able to get 4 new members. So we draw the diagram representing the members from a first generation until the fourth generation. So the difference between generation is show the ratio of the generation, and last we make a conclusion. Okay, the ideas from the question. We sketch a diagram represent the members from the first generation to the fourth generation. Okay, the question is about a geometric progression. So we use a formula geometric progression to solve the question. Okay, and we write a conclusion. Okay, a learning issue is about you must know the topic to solve the question. Second, you must know the formula to solve a question. Third, you must know the technique to show the question. And last, you must highlight the keyword because you can see the important thing if you highlight the keyword. Okay, the research need. First, we use a YouTube to see technique from a YouTube. Second, we use admit textbook form 5 because in a textbook have a same topic, and we use a website link, and we do the question from group discussion, and we discuss together. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Shashwin and I will be presenting diagram for question 1a. So, me and my friend want to start an online business. So at first we have 2 people in the first generation, me and my friend. And then both of us have 4 people as our downline. So altogether in the second generation there will be 8 people. And then each generation is allowed to have 4 people as their downline. So in the third generation there will be 32 people. And third generation is also allowed to have 4 people as their downline. So in the fourth generation, there will be 128 people altogether. So altogether in this organization, there will be 128 plus 32 plus 8 plus 2 is equals to 165 people. And from the first generation to the fourth generation, the number of people is increasing exponentially. So thank you. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Sitna Falila binti Muhammad Asri. Today I want to answer the question once for big ones for men. The question is, what is the difference between generation? So the first step, we must know the total of generation. First generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation. So we use the formula Tn equal AR kuasa n minus 1. So for the first generation, T multiplied once equal 2 multiplied 4 kuasa 1 minus 1. So we got 2. For the second generation, T multiplied 2 equal 2 multiplied 4 kuasa 2 minus 1. So we got 8. For the third generation and fourth generation, use the same formula. So for the answer the question, what is the difference between generation? We use the T2 minus T1. So 8 minus 2. So we got C. For answer the questions Once for B2 Romans, the question is, what is the ratios of second generation with the first generations and the third generations with the second generations? Okay, for answer the questions, we must do the what is the ratios of second generation with the first generation? So we must do the second generation ratios by first generation. So 8 ration 2. So we got 4 ration 1. For the answer the third generations with the second generation, so we must do the same. Third generations rations by second generation. So 32 rations 8. So we got 4 ration 1. For answer the questions, the ration is 4 rations 1. Thank you.
Based on equation 1 and equation 2, the conclusion is the generation show the geometric progression with the MLM concept. MLM concept is multi-level marketing, and the A equal to 2 and the ratio equal to 4, and the difference between each term is increasing exponentially.
Ya, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aiman Hilmi bin Muhammad Faizal. Okay, now I want to explain the Pbl table, question 2. The problem format is your brother who is in secondary school want to buy a new iPhone which costs RM 999. The first month he save RM 115. Each month thereafter you give him RM 15. Okay, the fact is, first, your brother who in secondary school wants to buy a new iPhone. Second, the cost for new iPhone is RM 999. Third is, first month he save RM 115. 4 is each month after you give him RM 15. 5 is total amount he save for first 4 months. Okay, the idea is, first, list the total amount money your brother save for the first 4 months. 2. Use the arithmetic progression. 3. Use formula in arithmetic progression to solve the question. 4. Write a conclusion. Okay, the learning issue. First, know the topic to solve question. Second, know the formula to solve the question. Third, know the technique to solve the question. 4. Highlight the keyword. Okay, the resource needed. First, YouTube. Second, math textbook form 5. 4. Website link. And 5 is group discussion. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
My name is Nur Alia Natasha binti Roslan, metric number AA200265. I want to discuss about question 2A. List the total amount money your brother saved for the first 4 months. Use formula Sn equals n per 2 2a plus n minus 1d. So A equals to 150, D equals to 50. First step, replace n equals 1. So 1 per 2, 2 multiply 150 plus 0 multiply 50. So you will get 150. Second, replace n equals 2. So 2 per 2, 2 multiply 150 plus 1 multiply 50. So you will get 350. For the third, replace n equals 3. So 3 per 2, 2 multiply 150 plus 2 multiply 50. You will get 600. And the last, replace n equals 2. So replace n equals 4. So 4 per 2, 2 multiply 150 plus 3 multiply 50. So you will get 900.
What is the difference between each month? First, we need to know the amount of each month. Use the formula Tn equal to A plus n minus 1D. As we know, the value of A is 150 and D is 50. Use the volume insert to the formula. For the first month, T1 equal to 150 plus 1 minus 1 multiplied to 50, and we get 150. For the second month, T2 equal to 150 plus 2 minus 1 multiplied to 50, and we get 200 ringgit. Use the same formula for the third month and the fourth month, and then use the answer of the second month minus the first month, which is 200 minus to 150 equal to 50. Same as fourth month and third month, which is T3 minus to T2, 250 minus to 200, and we get 50. Next question. What is the ratio of the second month with the first month and third month with the second month? Use the answer at P1 just now. The ratio of the second month with the first month is 200 to 50, which is reduced to 4 to 3. The ratio of the third month with the second month is 250 to 200, which is reduced to 5 to 4. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, now I want to explain the question 2B3 Roman. The question is, based on 1 Roman and 2 Roman, what is the conclusion? Okay, the conclusion is the generation show arithmetic progression. So my brother can buy the iPhone when the 5th month. So we can look this, the formula T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 plus T5. Okay, when the T5, we can get the new iPhone. The price is RM 1250. That's all from me. Thank you.